Today, I will show you how to activate and understand the Hide Post plugin in WordPress. First, go to your WooCommerce dashboard and click on Installed Plugins. Find the WordPress Hide Post plugin and click on Activate. Once activated, the plugin will appear in the left menu of your dashboard. Next, go to Hide Post, where you can view different post types that you can hide, including media, posts, pages, and products. You'll also find an option to enable or disable the hidden column for these post types. Let's check all the available options to understand their impact. Starting with media, open your media library and click on any media file you want to enable hide options for. Click on Edit More Details, and you'll be directed to a detailed page for that media. At the bottom right, you'll find the Hide Post visibility options. Select your desired options and save the changes. The media will now be hidden from the selected pages. In the same way, go to Pages and look for the page you want to hide from the front end, for example, the search page. Click on Edit to open it. At the bottom right, you'll see the Hide Post visibility options. Select your desired options and save the changes. The page will now be hidden from the selected pages on the front end. Similarly, go to Posts, choose the post you want to hide from the front end, and click on Edit. On the detailed page, scroll to the bottom right to find the visibility options. Select the desired options and save the settings. The post will be hidden from the selected pages on the front end. Lastly, open Products, choose a product you want to hide, and click on Edit. You'll find the Hide Post visibility options at the bottom right. Select your desired options and save the changes. The product will now be hidden from the selected pages on the front end. Additionally, the hidden column in the lists of posts, pages, media, and products gives you a clear overview of which specific items are hidden from which pages on the front end. Thank you for watching.